Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install mouse dangle on your Amazon Firestick device. So this is very simple and easy video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then open. Now find here my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on, then open developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on remote. A message will appear on your screen. Now select turn on. So the enable so the apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. Once you have typed DOW, then suggestion below downloader, click on. Now click on orange color downloader app, then click on download button. After downloading downloader, then click on open. When you launch downloader app first time, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow, then click on OK. Now here as you can see the search box, then click on and type here firesticklab.com/mouse.apk. So the mouse dangle has been downloaded, then click on install button. Now click on done and delete APK mouse dangle application. Once you have delete APK file, then click on home button. Now here again press remote home button for 3 seconds, then click on apps. Now here as you can see the mouse dangle app, then click on. When you launch mouse dangle first time, it will ask you allow USB debugging, so click on OK. And here as you can see first option, enable the mouse service, so click on mouse service, and here as you can see the mouse service has been enabled. Now double tap on your remote pause button, and here as you can see the mouse pointer. So you can use this method to download mouse dangle on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.